Hello everyone, today I built an interactive Adidas sales analysis dashboard on Power BI using Adidas sales dataset. The Adidas sales dataset contains information about Adidas products in the United States. Let us jump into our dashboard. My dashboard contains three pages, which are sales overview, product analysis, trend analysis. Let us first start with sales overview. In sales overview, you can see total sales, total units sold, profit, and transaction count. You can see sales month on month, which is comparison with the current month with the previous month, profit on month, profit on month, and transaction count on month. You can see for this I used new slicer and the slicer to filter based on sales method in whether it's in store, online, outlet, so on. For sales by retailer, I used stacked bar chart as well as same for sales by product, sales by region, transaction count by region. And for top 10 states by sales, I created a tooltip and I used stacked column chart for this. Here you can see the name of the state, profit by retailer, total sales, sales year to date, profit year to date. And to display sales by month, I used area chart. Here you can see sales by month, April, May, June, July. And let us jump into our next page, which is product analysis. In this page, you can see total sales by sales method, which is you can see in-store, online, outlet. Can filter based on year, can filter based on month, you can filter based on the retailer. For this, for showcasing total sales by sales method, I used stacked bar chart as well as a new slicer to showcase the image. You can see the Adidas, men's apparel, women's athletic footwear, women's street footwear. Here you can see the MOM change, which is month on month change, total units sold, total salaries. For this I used card. And let us jump into our next page, which is trend analysis. Same in trend analysis, you can see sales year on year is same like month on month, and you can filter based on sales method. For sales versus profit, sales versus units sold, I used line chart, line and stacked column chart for profit versus average operating margin by month, profit versus sales by month. Here you can see we can filter based, first we can filter based on the retailer. Let us filter based on the sales method. You can filter based on the year too. And that's all about this dashboard. Thank you.